Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing Apple's new AirPods Pro, Apple's new AirPods. I just bought myself a pair and I thought why not go ahead and do an unboxing and a quick and dirty review of the product. So here's the box, not very different from the older version of it, the original AirPods. And I'm going to go right ahead and open the box and take a look at the contents. Slowly slides out. This is the user manual, bunch of sheets basically talking about the functions and features and how to charge and that sort of basic stuff. And now this is the charging case. If you've seen the original version of AirPods, that was square shaped, and this is rectangular shaped, which I don't particularly mind. It looks just as sleek, if not better, than the original version. One thing that's different right off the bat about this new AirPods Pro is that it has the wireless charging capability, which was lacking in the first version. Let's open and take a look at the earbuds. So a pair of left and right earbuds, very nicely built, and a slightly smaller stem as compared to the original version. It might be a good idea actually at this point to show a comparison between the original AirPods and AirPods Pro. I've been using AirPods, the original version of AirPods for a couple of years now, and I thought it was time for an upgrade. So here's the original one. As you can see, the original one was square shaped, whereas AirPods Pro is rectangular. Now let's compare the original AirPods with AirPods Pro and see what the differences and similarities are. So the first thing that you notice right off the bat is the size, whereas this is the original AirPod with longer stem. Stem in the AirPods Pro is considerably smaller, and instead of straight, it's slightly angular, it's slanting inwards for a better fit, I believe. AirPods Pro come with a silicone tip that provide better sealing and immersive experience. They're also important to create the noise cancellation effect that is promised by the AirPods Pro. That feature was not available in the older version, so this is definitely a step up for AirPods Pro. This is the left AirPod. This is the right one. This is a sleek charging case that allows for wireless charging. Let's go ahead and take the tray out and see what else is inside. So there's two more pairs of ear tips. I think it's a very well thought out decision by Apple. They come in three sizes: small, medium and large. By default they come fitted with the medium ear tips, but they're also available in size small and large. Based on your individual needs, you can switch them up and see what provides the best sealing. It comes with Apple's Lightning charger, Apple's proprietary charging cable. So unless you have a wireless charger, you can use this cable to charge the case. Apple claims that one full charge will give you 5 hours of listening time on AirPods Pro. So it has three standard features: standard listening, noise cancellation, and you also have a third feature called transparency. Now I'm going to go right ahead and quickly tell you what transparency is all about. The other two features are self-explanatory. When you activate the noise cancellation feature, it's going to drown out all the noises in the surrounding areas. Now there are times when you do not want to be completely oblivious to what's going on around you, and for that Apple has introduced a new function called transparency feature. Now transparency feature, when you activate that feature, what it does is it tones down the active noise cancellation capability. So while you're listening to your music, you're still aware of some noises, some sounds around in the immediate vicinity. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and set it up and pair it with one of my devices. I'm going to be using my iPhone for that. So just like the older version of the iPhone, all you have to do is bring the case closer to your device, the phone or the iPad that you're pairing it up with, and just open the lid of the case slightly, and you will see it'll pop on your screen. You have to make sure that your Bluetooth is on, because AirPods use Bluetooth to connect to your device. So I think pairing up is a straightforward thing. You just hold it close to the device that you want to pair it with, and it will pop on the screen. Then you simply have to go ahead and tap connect, and boom, it's connected. Now another thing I noticed that's different about AirPods Pro is the charge status of its earbuds. In the original version, the charge status shows the combined charge status of the pair. In the AirPod Pro, it shows charge status for the individual earbud. So as you can see, it's showing two individual charges for each of these earbuds. One is more charged than the other for some bizarre reason that I can't explain. And on the right hand side, you can see the charge for the case. One more thing I wanted to point out about noise cancellation feature and transparency feature is that they drain battery, while the Apple AirPods can last up to 5 hours on full charge. If you have active noise cancellation or transparency feature on, it's only going to last up to 4.5 hours. So that's something to think about. So I've tested them out and I can confirm they actually live up to their top billing. The listening experience was amazing. The treble, the bass was really good. So with AirPods Pro, Apple is definitely taking AirPods experience a few notches higher. I'm really impressed by the initial experience with these AirPods, and I'm really glad that I dropped a pretty penny to buy this pair. Speaking about the cost, AirPods Pro will set you back $330 in Canada, $249 in the US. If you've been using AirPods Pro over a period of time and have faced any glitches or any issues that I need to look out for, let me know in the comment section below. That's for now. Happy listening.